Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here, coming to you from the interior of the Ecto. So, I gotta clean the car because I got a charity event today. And so I figured I would time-lapse video it because, you know, I love that stuff. And gives you guys more video of the car and some car stuff instead of welding stuff, because I'm sure some of you are sick of that stuff. But, so we're gonna clean the car real quick, and then I got a charity parade to go to in about 2 hours. So, boy, oh boy, oh boy, craziness. And then I go to work after that. So, you know, me and Buster Bear here clean the car. I'll probably do more work than he does. All right, guys, enjoy.